Hey, thanks for being a Weldmonger store customer. I put together this private video just for you. It's a quick tips style video. First, there's a tip for feeding wire, then argon flow rate on a spool gun, and a one size fits all setting for dual shield flux core. Let's do it.
It really helps to have some gloves where you can feel the TIG wire when you're trying to learn how to feed it. It also helps to weld a bunch of aluminum to get your filler wire hand up to speed because you feed so much more of it.
Well, sometimes it helps to get a lighter glove on your filler rod hand. This is just a regular cotton jersey glove. For some people that helps in feeding the wire to get a lighter glove. I don't really have any trouble feeding with one of these stubby gloves. I can feel the wire pretty good, but there are instances where this one might be better for your filler rod hand.
The reason MIG welding aluminum with a spool gun is more difficult than steel is because every little thing makes more difference. Just like with TIG welding, you can see a little cleaning path just outside the toes of the weld. That works best with a push angle, but only if you have enough argon flow and the right stick out length.
If you get too much argon flow, it acts a fool. The arc gets really erratic. You get spatter. It acts like you're trying to heat something up while you're trying to blow on it at the same time. And so, you got to get the argon flow balanced where you have cleaning action, but still a smooth arc.
It's not a bad idea to keep increasing it until it does get erratic and then back it off just to where it gets smoothed out like this. This is a little MIG welder with a very inexpensive spool gun, but I got it dialed in with the right argon flow and the right settings. Now let's look at one setting that works for a lot of different positions with dual shield flux core. This is with 045 wire, but that is a very common size wire for all different applications. 25 volts, 250 inches a minute is a great starting point, and for a 1/4 inch thick to about pretty much 1/2 inch thick, it works for flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead. It's hard to find settings like this that work with other processes like short circuit or spray, but dual shield is different. Let's take a quick look now. Those same settings, same thickness, going uphill. One of the benefits of dual shield flux core is that very little manipulation is required to go uphill or overhead. Just a tiniest little motion will help that bead flatten out. No motion at all is required, in fact.
Hey, I hope you're enjoying these quick tips videos. Keep your eye on your inbox for the next one. I'd love it if you'd click around here and shop for a little while. See you next time.